Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Experian Boost linked banking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Experian Boost, visit the Experian website. Click on the sign up button. Create an account by providing your personal information. You will need to enter your name, email address, and a password. Once you submit your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the link to verify your email address. Now, log in to your new Experian account. Navigate to the Experian Boost section on the dashboard. Read the introduction to Experian Boost and click Get Started. You will be prompted to link your banking information. Select the bank you use from the list provided. Log into your online banking account securely. Follow the prompts to grant Experian access to your transaction history. Once linked, you will see your recent transactions. Review your transactions to identify the utility and telecom bills you want to boost. Select the bills that you regularly pay on time. Click on the Continue button to confirm your selections. Experian will process this information to boost your credit score. You may receive a notification of your new credit score after processing. If desired, you can repeat this process to add more accounts later. Make sure to log in periodically to manage your preferences. That's it. You've successfully registered with Experian Boost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.